Lit, that party last night was lit. Salty. He's so salty because he lost the game. Spill the tea. Come on, spill the tea. What happened at the meeting? Flex. He's always flexing his new car. Throw shade. She threw shade at him during the conversation. Bail. I have to bail, I forgot I have an early meeting tomorrow. Ghost. He totally ghosted me after our date. Clap back. She clapped back at the haters on social media. Savage. That comeback was savage. Low-key. I'm low-key excited about the concert. High-key. I'm high-key obsessed with this show. Woke. She's so woke about environmental problems. Bye. I'm going out with my bye tonight. Extra. She's so extra with her outfits. Slay. You slayed that presentation. Squad. I'm hanging out with my squad this weekend. Turned. The party was turned last night. Yes. Yes, queen. You look amazing. Hundo P. I'm Hundo P sure about this decision. Shook. I was shook when I heard the news. Receipts. Show me the receipts to back up your claim. Stan. I stan this band so hard. Thirsty. He's so thirsty for likes on social media. Vibe. This cafe has a great vibe. Adulting. I'm not ready for all this adulting. Swerve. I had to swerve that awkward conversation. Sus. That deal sounds sus to me. Tea. I've got some tea to spill. Wig. That performance was so good, my wig flew off. Yeet. He yeeted the ball across the field. Bet. You want to go to the beach tomorrow? Bet. Cap. He said he can do a backflip, but that's cap. Clout. She's just doing it for the clout. Fam. What's up, fam? Kayla. That's hella cruel. Finna. I'm finna go to the store. Janky. This old laptop is so janky. Fire. That new song is fire. Kicks. Those are some fresh kicks. Litty. The festival was litty. Noob. He's such a noob at this game. Plug. I've got a plug for concert tickets. Simp. Stop being such a simp. Sketchy. That place looks sketchy. Slaps. This beat slaps. Zaddy. He's such a zaddy in that suit. Bread. He's making a lot of bread at his new job. Big mood. That cat video is a big mood. Glow up. She had a major glow up over the summer. Troll. Ignore him, he's just a troll. Hyped. I'm so hyped for the new movie. Dope. That's a dope jacket. Whip. Nice whip. When did you get it? Swole. He's been working out and looks swole. Cringe. That video is so cringe. Goals. Their relationship is goals. Zonked. I'm zonked after that workout. Dank. That meme is dank. Juice. He's got the juice in this town. Bop. This track is such a bop. Sip. Spill the tea, I'm ready to sip. Dead. That joke had me dead. Throwback. Here's a throwback to my first day of school. Basic. Pumpkin spice lattes are so basic. Catch feels. I didn't mean to catch feels, but I did. Roast. He roasted her during the debate. Ship. I totally shipped them together. Shady. He's been acting shady lately. Gucci. Everything is Gucci with our plans. Dime. She's a dime. Thirst trap. That selfie was a total thirst trap. Wavy. That jacket is wavy. Tight. We're tight, we've known each other for years. Chill. He's such a chill guy. Dip. Let's dip, this party is boring. Cloud chaser. She's just a cloud chaser. Ace. She aced her math test. Dude. Hey dude, what's up? Epic. That concert was epic. Flake. She flaked on our dinner plans. Glam. She looked so glam at the party. Grind. I am on my grind, working 2 jobs. Insta. Did you see her latest post on Insta? Legit. This still is legit. Lurk. He's been lurking on her social media. Real talk. Let's have some real talk about our future. Smash. They hooked up and smashed last night. Steezy. He's so steezy with his skateboard tricks. Bomb. That new song is bomb. Bro. Hey bro, what's up? Deadass. I'm deadass about this decision. Snack. He's looking like a snack in that suit. Hot mess. After the party, the house was a hot mess. Buzzkill. That news was a total buzzkill. Big yikes. I spilled coffee on my boss this morning. Big yikes. Gray. The weather today is cray. Karen. She was such a Karen, demanding to see the manager. Chillax. I need to chillax after that stressful day. No cap. I'm telling you the truth, no cap. Bestie. I'm going to the mall with my bestie this weekend.